أهلاً بيكم في برنامج معلومة في كبسولة. معاكم الدكتورة رضوى يسري، دكتورة صيدلانية. هنا هتاخدوا معلومات طبية دقيقة، سهلة ومن غير تعقيد، لأن صحتك أغلى والمعرفة دايماً في متناولك. Medicine isn't just gum, and not everyone treats it like it's something simple. In this episode, we'll talk about mistakes many people make that can be very harmful. The first mistake. Some people stop taking antibiotics as soon as they feel better. And that's a deadly mistake. The bacteria come back stronger, and sometimes it's no longer possible to control them. You take blood pressure medication and a cold medicine without asking? They could interact, damaging your kidneys or causing serious complications. You're using expired medicine because it looks good. This medicine may have lost its effectiveness or become actually dangerous. Your friend took this medicine and is feeling great. That doesn't mean it'll work for you. Every body is different, and the medicine could be dangerous for you. Medicine in the car and the kitchen. Heat can ruin its composition and make it useless. Medicine is not chewing gum, nor is it something to be toyed with. Always ask your pharmacist or doctor, and don't risk your health. وبكده نكون وصلنا لنهاية حلقتنا من معلومة في كبسولة. أتمنى تكونوا استفدتوا واستمتعتوا بالمعلومة الخفيفة والمفيدة اللي قدمناها لكم اليوم. أنا الدكتورة رضوى، بشكركم على وقتكم الجميل، وبأفكركم دايماً: صحتك أمانة وعلمك قوتك. ما تنسوش تتابعونا وتشاركونا آراءكم وأسئلتكم، ونلتقي إن شاء الله في حلقة جديدة ومعلومة جديدة.